Yo boys, what are you saying? What's going on? Oh, you guys enjoyed that little intro? I know it was really laggy, it was super laggy. The file, I don't know, it's like completely spiked up my CPU. So I need to find a way to fix that. Because, hang on, let me turn my light on. Because, literally, oh, even this is lagging now. Let me remove this shit. Are we all good? Okay, real good. Yeah, so the intro bit, the file for some reason was like really big. I'm not quite sure why. But I'm gonna figure it out so I'll make it smoother because it was really laggy. If you go back on the stream right at the start, see I made a new little intro thing. I spent some time on it, but it's just better laggy. Yeah, so the intro bit. The file for some reason was like really big. Let me know if the stream's lagging as well. Alright, let's get into this. We've already started the session. I was literally taking a massive dump, so my apologies. There's this one. So we've got a London buy side, a London sell side. Trying to implement this new way of thinking. Why is it so laggy? Let me know guys if it keeps lagging, because I might have to just restart the stream, because this is really annoying me. So yeah, sweet. Get rid of this now. Oh damn, actually I'm gonna move this down to... So we had GU news at 7 AM. So that's the reason for that big spike. Your voice is so low. What, can you not hear me? Am I quiet? Maybe, am I speaking a bit louder now? Is that what you mean? Now let me know if it's lagging as well, because I might just fucking restart this shit. But at the moment it's looking okay, I think. Sweet. Now. Let's hit some trades. Alright, now what we want to do is identify the Asia high and the Asia lows. So if we jump on the 5 minute, what we got? So the start of the Asia session is at 10 o'clock. So let's go on to here. Just mark that out there. Let's mark it out there. We don't want to go anywhere near past that. So that's our Asia high right here. And the reason why we're marking out the Asia high and the Asia high and the Asia low is what I've been noticing when I've been backtesting is that prices tends to actually target the Asia high and the Asia low. So it's actually a good way to target my take profits if it hasn't been taken out yet, or it's another confluence to wait for the Asia high and the Asia low to be taken out. Because price is still wet. Price is still yet to seek it and to take it out, as well as liquidity. And then there's liquidity everywhere as well, so that's the Asia high. The Asia low has already been taken out. It's already been taken out, bro. So Asia low got taken out there. So this could mean that eventually throughout the day we would want to look for longs, because price will still be yet to take out that Asia high. And so now what we're waiting for is price to take out our sell side or buy side. So once we do that, then we can start to make some moves. This was, now we want to mark out we can get rid of that. 12 p.m. 12 p.m. was right here. So New York is 12 a.m. or 12 p.m. even. 12 a.m. to the... Is my voice... Okay, my voice is calm. Let's check on some tunes, lad. Check on some tunes. So many different... Well, this one looks pretty cozy. I actually don't know why the ads are going so quick. I haven't paid for YouTube Premium. Fuck knows. Okay, nice. So now I'm going to try look to mark out the New York high and the New York low. So that's from 12 a.m. to 9 p.m. innit? UK time, London time. So there we have it. So our New York low has already been taken out. It was taken out in Asia, and then our New York high is right up here. But I'm more interested in Asia than New York, to be honest. the reason for that is because it's the previous session. So I can mark that out. New York High. And now we just play the waiting game. Now we just play the waiting game. Let me just leave everything for a sec, let it all come back. Because it's been really laggy and annoying. It's currently using 12% of my CPU. The frame rate's all good. And then it's just dropped frames. The frame rate's looking pretty good right now, so. Okay. Maybe I just gotta use slow movements. Move like a fucking sloth. Right, we can switch back to our 1 minute now. So what we got? Maybe bro was just complimenting my voice. Hopefully, instead of the volume. I need to buy like a proper mic as well. I'm just speaking through the laptop microphone. I need to just upgrade on everything. That's what I need to do. I mean, we were really bearish yesterday. We were so bearish yesterday. So maybe it does continue with the bears, or, you know, we start to look for some bullish movement. Let's look at the daily time frame. We're still looking really bearish. What are all the time frames saying? Bears, 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 bears. What's the weekly saying? Bear as well, okay. So there is no reason to be taking longs here because that would just be fucking suicidal. If all the time frames are telling me that it's a fucking bear market, then you know, taking longs would be pretty dumb here. I can't lie. So the sell side's just been taken out. So now, because the sell side's been taken out, I'll update the next area of liquidity, which is the next low. And then this can still be our target buy side. Target our buy side. And we just wait. We literally just wait. What's that like? Let me know if the music is too loud as well, I can turn that down. Let me just up. Okay, that's alright. It's a bit too piano-y. Why is there so much piano in it? Raining in Japan. This is always the trusty one to go to. What the fuck is going on? What is this? I get so impatient so quick, bro. The start tune's easy, the best one. Easy. Bow, now, now, now. This cell side's now been broken as well. Unless it starts respecting it, it comes back in. I think it's my my kilobytes. I think I had it way too high. That's why I was lagging so much. But I sorted it now. Alright, we need to see where price is trying to go right now. What it's trying to target. So let's jump on the 5-minute time frame. And if we go to previous sesh, so we know for a fact that the New York low got absolutely smashed. The Asia low got smashed. There's not really any previous lows I can really mark out here. So I'm not gonna get in. I'm not gonna get in until I know. Until I really get some info, do you know what I'm saying? Preferably because it's moving bearish, I would want to be looking for bulls. That was so wrong. I would be one looking for longs. So let's see if we can pattern that. But it tapped into this previous fair value gap here. I'll show you guys. So you see right here, there was this fair value gap right here. Which got filled. We've got another one up here. So we've got another fair value gap there. We've got one right here which got filled. Like, I could have gone for shorts there, yeah, but it's not in the plan. It's not in the plan, bro. So I ain't gonna trade it. I'll literally be like guessing and practically hoping that it goes down. If it for some reason suddenly finds like an area of support and then reverses on me, then what? I'll probably end up having to wait for the PM session here. And I think price will eventually want to come back up to here, because we still have the Asia high to take out and the London buy side. Because if we now move on to the it's really interesting to see the higher time frame, the higher time frames. But yeah, I'm not gonna get in until I really. Because this wouldn't be in my plan, you know? It wouldn't be in my plan. Because if I get in for sales here, I'm practically guessing that it's going down. Ugh, I haven't got enough confirmation. That's my thought process right here. And the start of the session was news as well. More 7 AM. GU news. So it wasn't ideal, I can't lie. I hope you guys are enjoying the videos. I love making it for you lot. I'm trying to spice up the live streams. I'm gonna work, put in a load of hours on trying to make the lives look good and try invest into some good equipment. Get the 1010 stuff. and I'll be making the group very soon. Don't you worry, boys. I'll be making it very soon. We made this weekend. Ah. No, we're just completely setting off here. Oh shit. So the plan for today is college. I've only got one lesson, so that's okay. Finish at 1. Stream the PM session. Go gym after that. Stream the PM session. And then after I stream the PM session, then I'll get my ass back home. Once I'm back home, I have to get ready for football. And I'll have football from, when is it, 7 o'clock? 7 o'clock till 8. And then for about 10 o'clock, I'll be streaming the Friday Night Live. Which basically, if you guys know yet, we just go live on Xbox with a few of my boys. And we just have a fun time. We just have some fun. So that's Friday night and Saturday night. So I'll call that the Friday Night Live and the Saturday Night Live. That's what I call it. Well, I do think for the PM we'll be looking to come back in to the zone. So I'm likely not to take a trade here. I want to try and not take as many trades. Less is more. Shit. Less is more, guys. And right now, in my head, I'm thinking, fuck, I wish I got in. I should have got in. I should have got in. Look at all of this. Look at all of these candles moving bearish. That's my thought process right now. Thinking I should have got in. And now I'm beating myself up for it because I've missed out on this move. But realistically, you know, it's okay. There's opportunities every single day. This isn't in my plan. This isn't what I look to backtest. When I'm backtesting, this isn't what I look to do. When it sweeps out sell side, I don't look to gain for shorts. I look for price to respect the sell side and reverse and target the buy side. But that's not what's happened. It's broken the sell side and it's continuing to sell off, and we're not finding any stability. It's just selling off. So some people will be in this position, but personally, I'm not in it, bro. I'm not in it. We mark out the. We marked out the 10 o'clock. So it's now 2 p.m. I'm also on. I'm on London local time. So I'm on London. I'm not in New York. In case you were wondering. See, like, if I got in here, yeah, at any point this could have reversed and come back up to the upside, and that's what I'm worried about. So it's literally just a guessing game. If I start got in on there, at least if it sweeps out the sell side, or I find some stability of sell side, then what I needed to happen is once we found that sell side, I needed to take it out again. The high time frame sell side liquidity at 1.26. Let me have a look. What time frame? Can you not hang on? Let me turn this off. Can you hear me now? Maybe I'm just not speaking loud enough. There we go. Can you hear me now? Yeah, I'm just speaking really low. I don't know why. It's morning, ain't it? Morning croaky ass voice. The 1st of March. Let me see. That's the Friday the 1st. Okay, I see what you mean. Yeah, that actually could be quite a good place if price does seek to reverse there. But I look for just the next or previous lows. But if price does look to respect it there, that would actually be quite a good position. See here, see we actually got some respecting going on here, so I can make this my next sell side. See, price is always seeking liquidity. It's not just in one area. It's not always going to be in one area. It's just where all the orders are lying. Oh, I'm trying to make it stand on the candle, sit on the candle. There we go. Sell side. Okay, so we do have a fair value gap that's formed here, but what I would want to see is like a displacement, like a change of character. So preferably if price was to come and sweep out the sell side again and then go up, instead of this could just be a continuation of the trend of prices moving bearish. So if it's coming down, you can see when you're in a position, right, it's always having small little pullbacks. So we don't want to see this as price displacing and going to the upside. So we don't want to be caught out and be a victim to the trend. But this could, if this sweeps out the sell side again and is continuing to go to the upside and it respects this level, then it could be looking quite promising, in my opinion. Hope you're doing good, Cad. How are you doing? Good, bro. I had a nasty gym session yesterday, so I'm sore. I'm sore all over. We're getting really close to 500, man. Why is it taking so long? I'm just so grateful that we're even at this level. Madness. Okay. So we're coming into this fair value gap, but I want to see the sell side taken out for a second time. I want to see it taken out for a second time, and then if it starts to move bullish again, then we can look for that move. Because all the time on the first fair value gap after it sweeps the sell side, I just get taken out, or it goes down, sweeps it out again, and then moves in my direction. So that's what I'm just gonna wait for. Get rid of this. It's making my chart look ugly. And then if we do break above this high, then we could look for longs again still as well. But see, like if I got in on that fair value gap after, we've had the sell side formed, now we need to see price respect it, and then we can look. What time frame are you trading on, CAD? Okay, so we're looking good so far. You think there's people out there who trade on the 1 second time frame? That's the thing, isn't it? You need to be on like some big trading view plan to be able to trade that. I can't trade it. Must be absolutely impossible. 1 second time frame. That's insane. Same as you, but when I was locking on high time frame, I spotted that. Was wondering if it works on 1 minute time frame. Not gonna lie, when I'm using the 1 minute, I just like to look for the previous session highs. Do you know what I mean? So from 2 o'clock to 3 from 2 a.m. to 3 a.m. New York local, or 6 a.m. our time. Have you heard of binary option trading? No, I haven't, bro. Well, I've heard of options, obviously, but I haven't heard of that particularly. I don't, and well, sort of, but I don't know. I don't exactly know what it is. I don't exactly know. What is it, man? Give me a little explanation. Would love to learn. But yeah, we're just looking for, because there's liquidity everywhere. There's liquidity everywhere. So it's not just going to be a one position. That's what I've started to realise. That's where they trade seconds. It's pretty mad. Fuck you know. Trading seconds is madness. I don't want to jinx it, but we are respecting the sell side so far. Basically option trading by seconds. Alright, yeah. That's just must be called fucking insane trading. Like 1 second time frame is insane. See, I knew I'd jinx it, man. We're respecting it. Doesn't get respected. Actually, you know what? I'm just gonna shut my mouth. I'm just gonna shut my mouth every time I get decisive. It just goes. Would you ever switch from Forex? Say if you like master Forex, or would you just do more currency pairs? I think what I'd want to do if I was to switch from Forex to something else, I'd have to be like big in it, like made a lot of money from it, and be comfortable enough to switch. Obviously, I'd probably still stick with it, but I'd want to learn. I'd want to learn to trade like the stock market, options, futures, just for fun, you know. And maybe one day get into the crypto shit, because I don't go anywhere near that because I don't know what I'm doing. But it does look like fun. It does look like fun, I can't lie. I do want to make big money option trading. This is option trading is what people do, to my knowledge. Oh, well, I think once you make big money, option trading is what people do. Oh, right, okay. Keep that in the back of my mind. Would you ever consider option trading? The 1 second time frame sounds crazy. How can you even analyze that shit? It's just constantly going like. Do you want to see what the Indian rupee looks like? The US dollar. I looked yesterday. Have a look at this shit. Hang on. Indian rupee to the US dollar. What? Look at this shit. Look at this. What the hell is that? What the fuck is that? Bro. Oh my god. I'd rather have my head put in a mincer than trade that shit. What the hell? Just look at it. God. Get that shit off my screen. Blimey heck. That's disgraceful. I'm actually going to India in like 2 weeks now, I think. Is it 2 weeks? Something like that. I can't believe we're almost in April. That's mad. This month has gone bare quick. I literally just think of the year now in trading days. I don't even. It's going quick, man. It's going quick. But I just think of the years now in trading days. Some nights I literally have a dream about trading. Like blowing accounts or like making huge money. check Nepalese rupees. Oh god. Do I even want to? Fuck's sake, let's check. Is that what it's called? Nepalese rupees, US dollar. Oh, fucking hell. Let's see this shit. Oh my god, what is that? Bro, what is that? What the fuck? Oh my days. Wait, you know what? Fair play to the Indian rupee. At least they got some candles on it. Because what the fuck is that? Dot to dot. Are we playing dot to dot now? Like we're 6 years old. What is this shit? Oh my god. Boys, fair value gap. Retracement. Short position. Stop. Come on. What happens if you like try replay it? What even happens? What the hell? I mean, like, what the fuck? It's not even picking it up. Like, what the hell is that? Nah. 1 US dollar. No. Wait, I'm tripping out. 0.00751. So that must be 0.0075 cents. Which I don't know how many. No, that's just crazy. Get me off here, man. Get me off. My eyes are bleached. That was disgusting. That was actually disgusting. I never want to see that again. Okay, so we've broken this sell side again. So now, CAD, your sell side level is now being broken as well. So all our levels have been broken. Yeah, this ain't the one to trade, I can't lie. I'm just gonna wait for the PM. And then we can take it from there. We now have, so it's the 22nd right now. We have, is that less than 10 days? The 1st of April? So that's less than 10 days until my funded challenge. 20k funded, I attempt it. Should be a big week, it'll be a big, big week. Bow, 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 down. Yo, let's trade some Nepalese rupee, come on. Nepal, what are you doing? What are they doing? God, that is absolutely disgraceful. They should be shot for that. What the fuck? That's insane. Is there just like any currency where there's just nothing on the screen? There's just nothing. Just a blank chart, it's just USD. No, that's not how it works. There's just nothing on the screen, man. Oh, that would be crazy. God, how do you even know that? Bro, just straight up was just like, oh, check the Nepalese rupee. Bro has full knowledge on the Nepalese rupee. Billie Jean, it's not my lover. She's just turns out I am the one. That's where I'm from, bro. Oh, swear. Yo, we're neighbors, bro. I'm from Calcutta. I'm from Calcutta in India. So that's literally right next to Nepal, isn't it? Literally right next to it. Nice. When I'm going to India in like soon, like 6th of April, we're staying up in these like mountains, and I'm pretty sure from one bit at the top you can see Mount Everest, I think. But it's like a particular time of the day and it's not for very long because it's so far. But it's like you can slightly see it, obviously not the whole thing. You speak Urdu? Nah, like Bengali, Bangla. Well, I can't really speak it, but I understand it. I can sort of speak it. Not really. What about you? I don't know what the language is spoken in Nepal. Urdu. To be honest, bro, I don't even know what Urdu is. Let me search it up. Apologies for my lack of knowledge. Nah, I don't speak it, nah. I understand Bengali. But it's like Indian Bengali. It's not the Bangladesh. The way people speak in Bangladesh and the way they speak it in Calcutta is like slightly different, but it's more or less the same. But it's just slightly different. Nepalese and Urdu/Hindi is very similar. Oh right, yeah. No, I don't speak Hindi either. Hindi is actually really hard to understand and speak. A lot of my family can't even speak it. Only like some of my old family members can really speak Hindi and understand it. And even if they can, not very well. Can't really do it very well. Currently waiting for this to come back to Fair Valley Gap. So let's just stay patient. Keeping it patient. So where's my HDMI cable going? That's gone into. Hang on. So that's in there. Oh, it's connected into here, that's why. I don't need that through there. Oh, here we go. Okay. What the fuck? Say nothing. So what we want to do now as well is wait for the sweep to take out the sell side again. And then once we've had that, then we can look for our longs, because obviously what we want to do is after the sell side's formed is then see it rise up, retrace back up again. We don't want to instantly get in, because we need confirmation that this is, you know, because it's just not trying to be a victim to the trend. So we've had our return. Now we need to see price respect this sell side, and just to sweep it, just needs to sweep. So obviously you can go through a little bit, but we don't want to see it like completely break it. But we are at the end of our session, so we don't want to, if it gets to like 8:15, 8:20 UK time, then I'll probably just leave it until the PM, because it's just, because otherwise I'm just basically trying to chop dead wood right now. What are they saying? Vile things? Vile things? You know what would be pretty funny if I just hopped on live stream like Amiga with my friends or something. That would be pretty funny. God, it's lagging. Why have I got Billie Jean stuck in my head? Billie Jean is not my lover. Turns out I'm the one. If this sell side gets disrespected, just gets broken, then I'm gonna call it for the AM and then restart again for the PM. That's the overall plan here. Shout out to all my brothers in the game plan. I'm gonna have some cash. $20 in my pocket. Looking for a comma. This is fucking awesome. Doom doom doom. Doom 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 boom boom boom. Boom doom boom boom boom. Another thing I do is I finish the stream way too late. As soon as I'm done, I just need to get on with my day. I need to get ready for college. Whip out the mic and I'm back again, and I'm on about. I literally woken up 10 minutes before the session was about to start. Clearly my sleep schedule's fitted to make sure it wakes me up before the session starts. Consciously. Oh, this is just looking like this now. If it breaks it, we're just going to leave it. Leave the AM. But I do think Right, I'm off back to work. See you, bro. See you around, CAD, man. Have a good day at work, bro. Have a good one. It's good seeing you. Yeah, it's a little bit boring when it's not really any trading going on, but I've been losing a lot because I've just been forcing trades to try to get some action going. But what I'm going to do now is I'm just going to stick to my game plan. Whatever happens, happens, you know. I'm not going to force these trades anymore. But I'm going to give it till 8:20, and if it doesn't show, if we don't see any signs, then I'm going to leave it 8:20. 901 Shelby Drive. Okay, yeah. I'm just gonna leave it now. That's the sell side broken. So thank you guys for tuning into the stream today. I appreciate it always. Love you guys lots. And we will be back for the PM session. And then after that I'll be uploading. And then after that will be the Friday night live. So yeah, boys. Hope you enjoyed, and hopefully we can end the week on a high for the PM. Safe.